This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Monica Vega. Location, location, location. This is what you've been waiting for. Wonderful end unit, second floor coach home, open floor plan, large lanai, with peaceful lake view, lots of natural light and privacy. Attached 1-car garage with room to park 2 cars on driveway. 2 bedrooms plus a den, which can easily be used as a 3rd bedroom. Master bedroom offers large windows with a lake view. The master bath has 2 sinks, walk-in shower and a large walk-in closet. Carefree condo living. Excellent school district, pet-friendly and centrally located close to I-75. Stratford is located off Whippoorwill Ln off Pine Ridge, which is now directly connected to Marbella Isles Blvd for quick access to Livingston. Stratford is only a few minutes from Costco, Sam's Club, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Seed to Table, Mercato exclusive shops and restaurants, Naples downtown and Naples beaches. Make it this beautiful property your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Monica Vega at 239-659-4200.